Probably going to learn more about how to write a banger ad in the next 2 minutes than maybe you've learned ever. I don't know. We're going to show you with this fancy little drawing I here, and I'm going to actually do something right here real quick. Now look at that. Okay. All right. So this process is exactly why it's so easy to learn ads in this 2-minute video. I'm going to show you what your brain did, why it did it, because when you understand that, creating an ad is actually pretty easy. And we can follow 3 steps to do it consistently and over and over and over again. So the first thing you did, when you saw that ad, let me ask you if this is what happened. Did first you look at the image? Did second, did your eyes drift down to a headline that was right there? Did third, your eyes drift up to that first line? And then I clicked the button so it opened. And then after that, I clicked that button and it opened up the website. Is that what happened? If that is, then I want to explain to you why that happened and why it's such a powerful thing for you to do. Now, once we get done with this, I actually have a mini course. It'll take you maybe an hour. And you can go through and deep dive all of these different tactics and principles. Come out the back end, and I'll even give you a tool so you can start writing ads yourself. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you're going to be surprised what you're capable of doing in such a short amount of time. So this is what I call that flow that you looked through that we just understood together is what I call the anatomy of an ad. And it's really important because the reason that your brain went through the exercise, or in other words, the reason that we did 1 and then 2, right? And then 3, and then ultimately 4. The reason that your brain did that is because it has a hierarchy of how it understands concepts, ideas, and how it processes visual things versus things that are written. So the first thing you did was you noticed an image. Now, for the purposes of this little training here, I personally like image ads. I always start with image ads. Or it could be, like small GIFs or whatever. I like things that my eyes can process. I don't want necessarily my ears involved. I don't want a big, long explainer video. If people want to watch long form videos, they can come to YouTube. But the first thing is you want to put a concept, a creative, a visual that will hook the right person. Okay. This is actually, if we look at the most important things, the most important thing in this ad is the image. The image all by itself is the one thing that if you did everything else kind of blah, 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 like average, if you nail this, you're going to have a good ad, which is why everybody, when they're talking about ads, they always say test creative, test creative, test creative. So having an ad that works is great. Having a variety of ad creatives that work is step number 1. So step number 1 is creative. All right, creative. Step number 2. Now, when it comes to step number 2, we actually want to combine this one and this one together. Or in other words, the body copy, the words that people are going to read. Your eyes are immediately going to float down to the headline. Now, the headline, you want that to be less than 6 words, okay? It's a headline about an outcome. It's something that they want. It's something that they're interested in. That's what we want to do. If we win this, we don't want to lose them with this, because if we lose this, if this is not about them, if this is not what they're interested in, then we won't earn this. And this is where the real juice comes in. Okay, so you want to have a winning headline. So your copy is actually the second thing. Now, the headline, this thing is really important, but we want to get it to the hook of the body copy. Now, the hook of the body copy, I actually have a tactic in my 5-step ad writing protocol, which is over at the free mini course. I'll tell you about that here in a second. That takes this one line and it takes the entire ad and it makes that one line so powerful that the person has nothing to do except for take the action that is requested to do. So learn more, download, whatever the action is. So writing your body copy is about putting a story in front of the prospect that they immediately are interested in. okay? And there's a little equation that I learned from my man Gary Bencivenga, which is B plus C equals I. Benefit plus curiosity equals interest, okay? And again, I'll show you how to do that. But if we get them curious here, then they are interested enough to click. And that is step 3, is what is the call to action? But what is the right call to action? If we can layer in any type of curiosity, okay? My handwriting is awesome. If we can put in any type of curiosity, whether that's curiosity in the ad, so the ad builds curiosity so the person wants to click, or the offer that you're giving, so it's a fancy demo, or it's a assessment, or whatever the call to action is, I would say you probably have 50% of your production coming from the creative. And then you have a 20% production coming from your body copy. And then you have the remaining 30% coming from your call to action. You learn to do these 3 things right, and in that order, you will write amazing ads. So I know you're probably thinking, okay, well, I don't know how to write ad copy. I don't know how to pick a banger call to action, curiosity, and all that kind of stuff. That's fine. You know the anatomy of an ad. All you need to do now is have a tool that will do this for you. I made a tool. It's completely free. It's called Write Ads Like Sam. It's in our free school community, and I'm giving it to you for free. So just click in the button below and comment in the comments if you like content like this. I want to make it short, bite-sized. If it's useful, let me know.